Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Burt and welcome you back to this series on the QuickQ software. Where we last left off, we'd added a straight truss to our rigging in our visualizer here, and now we're going to add some lights to that. Alright, so I'm just going to click on my back screen here and that'll take me back to my layout screen. Now this layout screen you can always access using the home icon here. Now, to add our lights, we need to go back to these three lines over here, and we need to patch in our lights. That's what the technical term is. So we're going to click on patch, and we get this screen here. Now, we click the plus button so we can add a fixture, and then we've got some options here. So we can search a type of fixture or we can use the manufacturers. So if we're told what lights that we have in the hall, we'll be able to find them here and add them. If you're doing this at some other time or for some other reason, you can just choose whichever lights you want, or if you're doing it for a different venue, then you will look at what lights they have. All right, so I'm just going to pick something simple to start with. So this Chauvet is the brand and the MK2 Spot Advanced Mode. So this is just a spotlight. And down at the bottom here, it says the quantity. All right, so the first thing here, Universe 1, I'm going to put my first batch of lights on Universe 1, maybe my second batch of lights on Universe 2, etc. I'm going to let's put 5 of these. We'll change that to 5. And then we click in patch. And now here are our lights. And if we click back on our home button here, it'll take us to this layout page. And now we can see there are our 5 lights ready to go. Now I find that using the grid up here makes it a little bit easier to arrange my layout screen neatly. So remember we had a straight truss. I'm going to arrange these lights just in a straight line, by clicking and dragging, and that row there would represent the lights that I've got on my straight truss. Now, to make sure that they're attached to my truss, I'm going to click down the bottom here, and I'm just going to drag my screen down. I'm just clicking to open my visualizer again on my little toolbar at the bottom. It's hidden there, so I'm just going to click down there. All right, so my visualizer has popped up again. Now you'll see that there are now some lights sitting there. They're not on my truss though, which is a problem. So I'm going to click on my truss, and then I'm going to hold Control, and I'm going to, those lights are already all highlighted. So I'm now just going to click Attach. Oh, I've only clicked the first spotlight. Okay, I'm going to attach that one. I'm now going to click, I might just click on all of these, Control in between, and then my truss. Oh no, I don't need to click my truss. Let's click Attach, and I click it to my straight truss, and there we go. Now they're all on there. Oh, no, we've missed one. Which one did I miss? Let's move this around. They all look like they're attached, but I can only see 4. Where are you, number 1? Somewhere else. Let's click on here. It does say that number 1's on there. Maybe we can move some around. Ah, there we go. Okay, so you can reposition these on your truss as you like. So you could put some at the ends. Maybe one in the middle somewhere. Try and make that fairly central. There you go. Well, that one is still not going on. Let's click on this one. What's going on with that? Let's compare those numbers. Okay, let's go Y value. That's at 0. This is at -2. I don't know why that's at -2, but let's make that 0. Yeah, there we go. Now it's on. Okay, you shouldn't have that problem. I don't know why it's done that. It's the first time. Okay, I'm just going to move that one over a bit. Okay, so there we've got our lights on our truss. Now we can go back to this screen here. All right, so all our lights on our truss ready to program. Now if we wanted to add more lights, we'd go back to the patch, the little lines here, patch, and then we could go to the plus and we could find a different kind of light. So we want, let's do a profile light. That's also known as ellipsoidal. Let's go 4 of those. I'm just going to stick them in between the others. All right, let's patch that. Go back to our visualizer. You can see there's 4 new lights there. So I'm going to click, holding down my control, attach to my straight truss, and now I can move those around. Oh, come back. No, they don't want to be separated. There we go. And again, I've got one that's a weird -2. Let's change it to 0. Okay, so now you can see my ellipsoidals on there as well, on my profiles. Okay, and then back to my home, and they're sitting up there. Now, I might want to now move these, since I've managed to put those other ones in between, just so you can see approximately where they are. So let's go 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Now, if you were to add some trusses in different locations, so say vertically here and here, or something in here, you can drag your fixtures once you've patched them in to anywhere on the stage that you like, so it mimics approximately what your rig shows. Okay, all right, that's the end of that video. I'll see you in the next one.